Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with a new recipe. Today we are going to make moong dal kebabs. So all those vegetarians who don't get to taste kebabs because most of them are non-vegetarian, you should definitely try out this one. This is again high in protein because we're going to be using moong dal as the base. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and like and share my videos. For the detailed ingredients, please check out my description box. So let's get started. There's a little bit of pre-preparation for this dish. So I've got in here moong dal. I took 1 cup of split moong dal, added 1 cup of water, put it to boil, and once the moong was cooked and all the water evaporated, I've taken it out and kept it like this. I've gently just mashed it with my hands so that it's in this powdery consistency. Apart from this, in here I've got boiled potatoes which I have grated and kept. That's about 1 cup of boiled potatoes. I've also got chopped coriander, grated onion. In here I've got some masala powders, that's turmeric, garam masala, red chilli paste, salt. This is chaat masala, and you can use ginger garlic paste. I'm using powder here just because I happen to have it in my pantry. So these are the masalas that we'll be adding into this. So to make the kebabs, we're going to mix the onions, potatoes, the chopped coriander, together, mix it well. Add in the masala powders. Mix it well so that the masalas reach all the corners of the moong and potato mix. So the mix is ready. Let's start making the kebabs. So before you start working on your kebabs, I've got these wooden skewers here which I'm going to use to make the kebabs. I've soaked them in some water. This process is necessary because otherwise the stick will catch fire when you put it on the tawa. So I've got it soaking in water here. So to make the kebab, you get the kebab mixture. I've got some water in here to just keep dipping my fingers in. So I've taken 2 skewers and I've taken a portion of the kebab mixture. Keep it on the skewer like this and just keep shaping it. You can just touch water if you need. If you're using metal skewers, one skewer is fine. But since I'm using the wooden ones and these are pretty thin ones, I'm using double skewers. So I've got this kebab ready in here. I'm going to make the rest of them the same way. So I put the tawa pan on fire, medium heat. Drizzled some oil and shifted the kebabs to the tawa. I've got some oil in here. I'm going to use a basting brush to just put some oil on the surface of the kebab. I've got the chicken version of this kebab on my channel. You can just check it out. I'll put the link above. As well as I've got lots of other veg and non-veg recipes on my channel. Do check it out. So basically the dal and the potatoes are already cooked. We are just looking at browning the kebab a bit. So we'll wait for that.